Hello guys, welcome back to iMobie YouTube channel. If your iPhone screen got zoomed in like this, then you must be curious about how it happened and how it got fixed. So in today's video I'll discuss about how to fix this iPhone stuck in zoom mode. Here are some reasons for the screen zoom issue. Reason 1. Zoom mode is enabled. It happens when you have the zoom mode feature enabled on your device and accidentally touch it. Reason 2. Issues with the system software. This is a more serious issue and you need to fix it as soon as you can to avoid any other errors on your phone. Here in the first method, just double tap on the screen with 3 fingers. Then your zoomed screen is fixed. And now you can unlock your screen with the passcode. To prevent this from happening again, you can open your settings, then choose accessibility option, then tap on the zoom option, then turn off zoom option in settings. Now your screen display size will not be influenced by the finger gesture. Here in the second method for iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up button, and then press the volume down button and hold down the side button until the phone restarts. When the Apple logo appears, let go of the button. And for iPhone 7, please hold the volume down and sleep-wake buttons simultaneously and keep holding them until the screen flashes and the Apple logo appears. And for the iPhone 6 and earlier models, push down both the home button and the sleep-wake button at the same time. Keep holding them until the screen flashes and the Apple logo appears. Release the buttons and the iPhone will start up like normal. Here in the third method, just download AnyFix from description, then hit System Repair option. After that, hit Start Now option, and here choose Standard Repair option. Then hit Download Now option for the firmware option. Now it will take some time to complete the download. After the download, hit the Start System Repair option. Then it will take some time to complete the repair. So thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have any query.